Here we will discuss how to use the PPE kit. The PPE kit is available in these variants. Make sure that a trained observer is watching and monitoring the steps. Assess the garment for any visible tears or compromise to integrity. Ensure correct wearing sequence. First pair of sterile gloves. Shoe covers, coverall. Second pair of sterile gloves, mask, goggles or face shield. Hood of the coverall. Perform hand sanitization. Put the first pair of sterile gloves. Put shoe covers over closed type. Puncture and fluid-resistant shoe. Shoe cover should cover above the leg till knee. Unfold the coverall suit and unzip. Slide legs one by one into the suit. Slide arms one by one into the suit. Tuck the cuffs of the first pair of gloves under the sleeves of the coverall suit. Wear a second pair of sterile gloves over the sleeves of the coverall suit, ensuring no gap. Close the zip by pulling it up to the neck. Cover the zip with the additional flap. Now wear the mask and then the goggles or face shield. Now let us see how to remove the coverall suits. Make sure that a trained observer is watching and monitoring the removal process and is ready to assist if needed. Ensure correct removal sequence. Outer pair of gloves, hood, goggles or face shield. Coverall, shoe cover, inner pair of gloves. Remove outer pair of gloves. Disinfect inner pair of gloves using an alcohol-based hand rub covering all surfaces of the gloved hands. Remove the goggles or face shield. Lift the chin. Depaste the flap. Without touching the body, carefully unzip till crotch. Hold the outside of the top of the suit with the other hand. Do not let it go. Unzip or unfasten the suit completely. Still holding the top near the zip. Gently pull the side of the suit being held partially over the shoulder. Perform a rotating movement of the shoulder inside out, one by one, to remove the coverall and carefully move the coverall down the body, turning inside out. Remove the legs of the suit over the shoes. Remove the shoe covers. Carefully place the entire kit in the waist bag, touching only the inside. Avoid contact of the coverall with the other clothes. Disinfect gloved hands, covering all surfaces of the gloved hands. Now remove the mask. For disposal, pack the coverall suit in the disposal bag provided along and dispose of in a responsible manner as per local guidelines. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. For more information, log on to www.tynorindia.com.